Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are here with the iPhone 16 Pro. Now I do know that this is kind of a late upload considering that this iPhone has been on the market for a few days now, but we've been super busy with content and other activities. Better sooner than later, we have the iPhone 16 Pro unboxing. So let's peel this right off. There you go. And the other one, just like so. Beautiful. So in today's video, we're just going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions with 16 Pro. But as you guys can see, I got mine in the Desert Titanium 128GB version. Let us see the Desert Titanium color right in front of us. Wow. There you go, straight out of the box. I mean, it is giving rose gold vibes for sure. I do think that this year they made the sides, the top, the corners of the phone a lot more shinier, as you guys can see, and you can see that new camera control button. So we're going to be checking all of that out. Inside the box, no Apple stickers, just that usual braided USB-C cable, as well as some manuals. And as I said, carbon neutral, cost cutting, no Apple stickers. So we're just going to put that all aside just like so, right over here back in the box, and get to the beauty of the phone itself. And so this year they still have that usual black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and today we are checking out the flagship color, which is the Desert Titanium. Now this is really giving iPhone like 6S or iPhone 8 rose gold vibes, but again, they call this Desert Titanium. Very nice finish. Let's peel it right off. Beautiful. And let's power it on. And so this year, they've come with the new 6.3-inch display for the iPhone 16 Pro and 6.9 inches for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And so the actual hardware, the size of the phone itself has not changed. What has changed is that they've made the bezels a lot thinner, as you guys can see. And so these are the thinnest borders on any Apple product, and they come with grade 5 titanium. Now the iPhone 16 Pro also comes with the A18 Pro 16-core neural engine chip. It has 35 trillion operations per second with a 6-core GPU. So that's pretty impressive. And so here we go. We're just gonna set this up very quickly and check out the phone itself. And so anyways, here we are with the iPhone 16 Pro all set up, or almost set up. And here you can see us talking about the brand new camera control button. And so Apple does not want us to call it camera control, but nonetheless, here it is. And so here you could continue and it gives you all of the information about how to use it. And so here we are, guys. The phone is fully set up. I did put my iCloud on here, and so everything is backing up. It is for sure heating. Straight out of the box, you can see that it does come with iOS 18. I did end up updating it to iOS 18.1 because it prompted me due to the fact that I am enrolled in the beta software. And so you can see that I have iOS 18 public beta and it is iOS 18.1. Now the nice thing about the camera control button right over here is once you click it, as you guys can see, it pops up right here, the camera. And so let's say I'm on photo mode and I take a picture of this plant right over here. Just like so, it snaps that picture. And you can see that I can adjust the zoom. It could get pretty close up, and I could also go into the 0.5 lens, which is pretty nice. Now I can also do different things over here. Once I press and hold, I could scroll through, for example, depth, and here I could set how the aperture is and a bunch of other things. I could also set the brightness, the exposure, and a bunch of cool settings. And so let's say I'm on the video mode right over here. The nice thing about the 16 Pro is that it does come with 4K 120 frames per second. And so right here, once I'm on video mode, all I have to do is click and it automatically starts recording, which is pretty sweet. If I'd like to stop the recording, I could just click it and it'll stop recording. Now, let's say I'm on the lock screen. All I have to do is click the button right over here, and what will it do? It will open up the camera, which is pretty awesome. Overall, I think the Desert Titanium color is a pretty good one. I did hear lots of things about it on Twitter, but I'm not sure exactly how it holds up. So stay tuned for my day in the life where I'll be bringing you guys a in-depth look at how the 16 Pro does work in a normal day with the battery and the camera. Anyways, it has been Alex from Techrific giving you guys a little unboxing and first impressions of the 16 Pro. Thank you for stopping by, and let me know in the comment section down below your thoughts. Have you gotten or will you be getting one of the new iPhones or one of the new Apple products? unbox that came out here in September 2024. Until then, subscribe with notifications on, like this video, and share it around. Thanks for stopping by, and stay techie.